financial officer. But that's what people are doing in network marketing. They're just asking anybody. They're just going through the numbers game. So really think about this. Think about the friends, the family, the people that you really think could do well with this. The one that can help you bring in the many. Okay, now that doesn't mean that every single person that you bring in is going to end up creating this huge downline for you. But if you're a lot more selective and you think about who and the type of people that you want to build a relationship and build a business with, then you're much more likely to succeed. So just remember that the essential goal of social network marketing is to help you find friends who will help you grow your business. Okay, so the essential goal of social network marketing is to help you find friends who will help you grow your business. Now, notice here for a second that I don't want you to think, okay, that means I need friends that will become part of the opportunity. It's not always that. You know, I have had some friends that I have had help me grow my business, my network opportunity, my network marketing, and guess what? They themselves never signed up. They were not part of my down.